Start by placing the warmer on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet and away from the counter edge. Plug the warmer in, then press the power button to turn it on. If you'd like to control the warmer from your phone, download the Baby Brezza app. Follow the prompts in the app to pair your device. The Bluetooth light will turn solid once connected. From the app, you can choose a mode, set a time, and start warming from your phone. Choose Steady Warm for gentle warming and Quick Warm for faster steam heating. Check your manual for which mode to use with your bottle type and milk. For Quick Warm, use the measuring cup to fill water to the Quick Warm line. For Steady Warm, add room temperature water until it matches the level of the milk in your bottle. Insert your bottle or breast milk pouch into the orange warming tray and close the cover completely. Use the orange bottle tray to lift out the bottle, since the bottle and chamber may be hot. Gently swirl the bottle and test a few drops on your wrist before feeding. Use Steady Warm to gently heat baby food. Place the food jar into the warming tray and make sure the lid can close all the way. Fill the warmer with room temperature water until it reaches the same height as the food inside the jar. Use the setting guide to choose a number that matches your bottle or jar size, material, and starting temperature. Press start to begin warming. The warmer will beep when it's finished.